What is motherboard? A motherboard is the main printed circuit board in general purpose computers and other expandable systems. It holds and allows communication between many of the crucial electronic components of a system such as the central processing unit and memory, and provides connectors for other peripherals. Types of slots: PCI slot, network card, SCSI, sound card, video card. PCI Express video card, AGP video card, ISA network card, sound card, video card, AMR modem, sound card, CNR modem, network card, sound card, EISA SCSI network card, video card, VESA video card. Sockets and package. Sockets. A motherboard socket is the connector on the motherboard that holds the CPU. Sockets use what is called a pin grid array PGA, which uses short, stiff pins on the CPU that line up with the holes on the socket. It is very important when installing a CPU that you do not force the CPU. Package. With hardware, a package is a single container that contains one or more items that help make up the overall package. For example, a processor package is the overall computer processor which contains all the necessary parts that allow it to work in your computer. Package. LGA. Land Grid Array is a type of surface mount packaging for integrated circuits that is notable for having the pins on the socket rather than the integrated circuit. PGA. A pin grid array PGA is a type of integrated circuit packaging. Pin grid array packages were either rectangular or square in shape, with pins arranged in a regular array. Pin grid array was preferred for processors with large width data buses than dual in-line pins, as it could handle the required number of collections better. Sockets. Socket types depends on notebook, server, desktop. Intel sockets: DIP, dual in-line package; PLCC, plastic leaded chip carriers; PGA 168. It has 168 pins and used for 486 processors. LGA 1156, supported i5, i7, Xeon with Linfield code name and Celeron Pentium i3, i5 and Xeon processors with Clarkdale code name. Sockets and processors were discontinued sometime in 2012. AMD sockets. Socket G34 is a land grid array CPU socket, supports Opteron 6000 series server processors. AM2, AM2 Plus, AM3, AM4. It supported processors like Athlon series, Opteron, Phenom, Semron, and AM4 supports Ryzen series processors. FM1, FM2 supports APU processors and Liano derived Athlon 2 processors. Socket TR4, used for high-end Threadripper CPU. Form factor. Motherboards are produced in a variety of sizes and shapes called computer form factor, some of which are specific to individual computer manufacturers. Standard ATX size is 12 by 9.6 inches. Micro ATX size is 9.6 by 9.6 inches. Size of mini ITX is 6.7 by 6.7 inches. The size of nano ITX is 4.7 by 4.7 inches. Pico ITX size is 3.9 by 2.8 inches. E80X ROG Zenith 2 Extreme AMD TRX40 E80X motherboard STRX 4 for 3rd Gen Ryzen Threadripper. Power connectors. Every PC power supply has special connectors that attach to the motherboard, giving power to the system, processor, memory, and all slotted add-on boards, ISA, PCI, AGP. Attaching this connector improperly can have devastating effect on your PC, including burning up both your power supply and motherboard. I/O ports. I/O ports allow for connection to hardware. This hardware could be internal or external. The ports are associated with copper circuits and memory ranges that allow communication of data between the CPU, RAM, and the ports themselves. Common I/O ports include USB and FireWire. A voltage regulator module provides a microprocessor the appropriate supply voltage. M.2. It is a specification for internally mounted computer expansion cards and associated connectors. M.2 replaces the mSATA standard, which uses the PCI Express mini card physical card layout and connectors. South bridge and north bridge. What is north bridge? The north bridge typically handles communication among the CPU, in some cases RAM and PCI Express or AGP video cards, and the south bridge. What is south bridge? A south bridge chipset handles computers' I/O functions such as USB, audio, the system BIOS, the ISA bus, the low-speed PCI or PCIe bus, interrupt controller, the SPATA or SATA storage, and the NVMe storage. Popular motherboard manufacturers: ASUS, ASRock, Intel, MSI, Gigabyte. Takeaway: motherboard is at the core of the computer as it provides peripheral connectivity as well as communication between various devices, including to and fro communication from CPU to peripherals. Hence, while building a new PC, one should pay proper attention to the motherboard features, support, so that in the long run it will provide you proper service and also support newer devices in the coming time.